Hey Matt, what kind of coals you running?
You know, the 20 gauge awesomeness.
Oh snap.
Oh, interruption. See who it is.
Some kind of Amber Alert.
We're after a red Honda accent. Look for it. Hyundai.
Hyundai.
Alright, well, I went out and purchased me a blow-off valve. Made by GFB Response. It's a hybrid style blow-off valve. It's, if I can turn it, maybe not. There it goes. You can do recirc or vent to atmosphere or anywhere in between. So it's pretty cool, and for these Subarus you kind of need it because they well, they like to do stupid stuff sometimes. It's a busy day. All right, let's put it on. We'll see how it goes. Here are the tools you're gonna need, by the way.
Can of Coke.
Not sponsor. 10mm pliers. That's it.
10mm pliers.
So here's the factory one. It is located on the intercooler. It's pretty simple. You just pull out this one vacuum line, and this is your back to intake recirculation line. What kind of pliers did you give me, man?
They got the cutout for the hose or whatever. There you go. User error.
And you just pop these off. Putting a little fancy tool holder Subaru gives you. Yeah, these are for later. Just pull it out. The factory one has like a little O-ring seal, as you can see, which is actually kind of nice. But it probably doesn't hold very much boost. And the reason I'm changing it is not for the sound mainly. It's because these can leak at above, I read like 17 PSI. And I'm already running like 19, which I don't know how much it's got to do with it, but or if it is leaking. It's gonna make a good video. Anyway, let's put this on. Hello? Okay. Alright, now that we're done with phone interruptions, let's put it on. Then I'll show you how to adjust it. Put the gasket on this. Got the bolt. You take the little trumpet thing off so you have room. Started, and get your gasket lined up for the other side. Start on this side. Alright, just tighten her up. Don't want to be very tight. Just going into inserts in the plastic of the intercooler. Alright, now you just put this on. Pliers. Arrange this where it's up. Next time I have to take it off for some reason. Then vacuum line. Alright, now it's time to adjust. So this big, I don't know what you call it, this little turn buckle thing, that's what adjusts the percentage of recirc or vent atmosphere. And if Carlos can come over here and look at that hole on the back side of it, you can probably see it's turning the insides of it. You see it in there? Alright. Well, that's how you adjust the vent to recirc. And then with a supplied Allen wrench, you can also adjust your release, like the spring tension, of which the blow-off valve will release the air. The further you go down, the tighter that spring's going to get. The further you go up or loosen, the looser or weaker that spring's going to get. And the reason you want that is because you want it adjusted so it's holding all the boost it can without like, you want to hold all the boost you can between shifts. So the more you got it adjusted down, the less it'll open and the quicker it'll close, so you start building the boost back between shifts faster. If you have it all the way open, that thing's just going to be open, wide open, you know, until there's zero pressure of boost in there, or you know, or it's back in vacuum and it still might be open. So I got it down, I think it was like 3 or 4 turns. It seemed to work pretty good. If you start hearing the turbo flutter, you got it down just a little bit too tight. A little bit of turbo flutter is not going to hurt anything, but you don't want over tightened, otherwise you will get a lot of turbo flutter. Alright, that's pretty much it. I like to set it about 50-50 and then adjust from there. So, put the trumpet on, screws on to the little hole. Let's go get some sound.
Real driver knows what's in his car at all times.
A bunch of trash is what's in my car.
There's that there, and there's not really any trash in here. Ooh. Do dramatic takeoff.
What?
I'm gonna do a dramatic takeoff like this.
Oh.
Alright, he's about to launch it. 1, 2, 3. Ah! Ah! Alright. Well, this is where I get off. $5. That was loud.
The vent to atmosphere and recirculation, the reason you want to adjust it in is because you will get that backfire. What it does is between shifts, it releases the air to the atmosphere, and then your car will go rich because that air that's been released has already been metered, unless you change the mass airflow sensor to just the regular map sensor. But if you adjust it, you know, a little bit more recirc than vent to atmosphere, so like a 70-30, you won't really get a pop. You'll get just you know, a whoosh, a pretty clean sound. I like it about 50-50 because I get a nice little pop. I kind of like the pop, but it doesn't make my car die. So that's all I gotta say about that.
Well, you guys heard it. Pretty easy to install. The price on it's not horrible.
From their website, it's like over $300. I don't remember exactly, but I found it on around online for about $280.
Okay, 280 bucks. If you're running just about anything above 17 psi, which is what the stock one will hold
in this car,
in this particular car, make sure you switch it. Running, like in his case, he runs like 19 psi. So just for safe measures, went ahead and changed it out. Plus it sounds cool. And yeah, let us know if you like this video. Hit the like and subscribe button. If you guys have any more ideas, suggestions, please comment below. Let us know. We're gonna try and possibly maybe do some review videos. We'll let you guys know, keep you posted. Thanks for watching.
That one wasn't fake.